I'm Shubhi and I'm the Circle Manager of ARVR Circle at GDSC IGGQW. And today we'll be doing the project session of the Rapid Learn Cohort, and we'll be making a project. The project would be we'll be making a Vuforia app, and in this we'll be using image detection by Vuforia, and we'll select an image and we'll pop up a 3D character of your choice on top of that image. All right. So I think we can start now. I'll share my screen. All right. So first, what we need to do is we need to make our Unity project. To make the project, we'll click on New Project here and select the Unity version you want to work on. I'll be working on Unity 2019 because I already have Android set up with 2019 version of Unity. Uh, and we'll be selecting the 3D template, name your project whatever you want it to, and select the location where you want it to be made, and click on create project. Since this takes a lot of time, I've already created a project and opened it here. Now, since we're creating an Android app, first we need to go on build settings and switch to Android platform. A second. Yeah, switch to Android platform. Click on Android and click on switch platform. This will take some time. Okay, till this takes place, if you have Android installed with your Unity editor, then it's alright. But if you don't, I'll tell you how you need to do this. Here on installs, click on the version you're working on. I'm working on 2019 version, so and click on the settings icon. Click on add modules, and then you need to select the Android build support and select both of the options under it, Android SDK and NDK tools and OpenJDK. Alright, and click on install. This is all you need to do. I already have this installed here, so I don't need to do this again. Another thing, you might not be able to find add modules option if you installed the Unity editor from directly from Google the web instead of installing it by using the Unity editor, because right now 2019 version I installed it directly from Google instead of using the Unity Hub. So I don't have the add modules option here. So if you want that option, download it from Unity Hub itself. I don't know why they don't provide it if you directly download it, but it's a thing. Downloaded. This will take another a lot of time. Till then, I think it is done. Okay. I've already switched my platform if because since I already have Android and downloaded, this is showing me all these options: texture, compression, export project, build app bundle. If you do not have this installed, it will show you an option from download from Unity Hub, I think. So click on this and just download the Android build support. Okay. So since this is done, we can just click on cross and close this screen. Now, since we're making a Vuforia app, we need to have Vuforia installed in in our project. So click on Windows, Package Manager. It'll automatically load the packages that we can download. Okay, we can search for Vuforia here. It's not loading right now for me. Okay, my system isn't responding right now. Uh, it'll take some time. It's working now. Yeah, I need to download the Vuforia engine for AR. Click on install and install it. Okay, Okay, since this is finally done, we can now check if Vuforia is successfully installed on our system. Just right click on the hierarchy here, and if you find the Vuforia engine as an option, Vuforia has been successfully installed. अगर नहीं मिलता है तो you need to try and install it again. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do is we need to delete our main camera because this isn't the camera that we'll be using for AR. Delete it. Just click on it and click on press delete on your keyboard. Then right click on hierarchy, Vuforia engine, and click select AR camera. Now we need to here in the inspector scroll down and click on open Vuforia engine configuration. We need to have a license for our app. So for the to get this license, open your browser and search for Vuforia. You'll open the first link that you get, which is Vuforia Developer Portal, and just in a sign in. If I just log out, what you need to do is you need to either log in or you need to register. If you've never registered before, you can just register here by providing your name, last name, company. You can just put IGDW here and email username. Just fill all of these and register. Since I've already registered, I just log in with my password and email. Okay. So since we need to get a license, we'll just get a basic license. Click on get basic. Okay. Our license name. We need to get type in a license name. For now, it'll be first up. All right, and click on this checkbox and confirm. Now we have the license. Click on this and copy the license. Now open your Unity project and paste your license here. All right, so we've added our license. Now, what we need to do in our app is we need whenever our camera is detects the image, we need to select an image, and whenever our camera detects that image, it needs to pop up a 3D actor on top of that image. And since we're popping up our favorite 3D character, displaying a favorite 3D character, uh, it should be whatever character you wanted to display. All right. So for now, first we need to select the image on top of which our character should be displayed. So I am thinking of uh, using Spider-Man as our actor. So I've already searched Spider-Man online and I found this image. I'll be downloading this. Save. And we'll now download the 3D character that we want to display. So we'll find a 3D character for Spider-Man model. Sketchfab is a good site for finding models. So I'll be using Sketchfab for now. I'll just type it here again and click on downloadable and animated since we want some animations on our model. I just select this one. Hmm, I found one here that was from Mixamo. I think it is this one. I will just download it anyways. Click on download. If you're not logged into Sketchfab, it'll ask you to register and log in. So do all of that and then download the FBX. Unity supports FBX or OBJ files. You need to do some additional work to import a GIDF or GIB file. So we won't be doing that right now. Okay, so we've downloaded the Spider-Man model for now. Open it and extract. And now we need to get this into our Unity app. So I just click on it and drag and drop it into our assets folder. Okay, see, it directly imported our Spider-Man model, the entire folder here. And we have a model as well. You can see it by dragging and dropping it into our view. Click on it and press on Shift F to view it. So right now it does not have any of the material or textures. Alright, so we need to import these separately. Click on the model here, and first what we need to do is we need to import the materials. So here, click on extract materials, and we need to make another folder for materials. That folder, actually extract all the materials that we need. Here we only have one material, that's no name. Okay, we need to provide the texture to it. So just lock it in the inspector for now. Here you need to click on the lock icon here. Go to Spider-Man textures, and in the albedo we need to provide this texture. Drag and drop it into the albedo. Alright, so now you can see we have a Spider-Man texture applied to our model. Alright, so this is done. Now we also need animation that we'll be using. Yeah, so now we also need to import the animation and apply the animation to our model. To do this, click on the model. First you need to unlock our inspector, and here in rig select humanoid, create from this model and apply. Alright, so now in animation we need to uh, check on loop time so that it loops animation, and then you can see it's now applying the animation to our model. but it won't be playing it here. Why? Because we need to provide, if we click on the model here, oh sorry, you also need to apply the changes you've made. So just click on apply here. Yeah, now we'll click select our model, and in the animator you find this controller part, and there's no animation here. So we'll have to make an animation controller for this. Animator here, right click here, create and animator controller. We'll name this Spider-Man dance. Man dance, and double click on it and open the animator controller. Now we need to find add the animation here. This is the animation. Just drag and drop it into a animation controller. Okay, this is all you need to do. On entry, it should play the mixama animation. Here in thriller part, select drag and drop the Spider-Man dance animator controller in the controller option. Okay, this is done. Now when we play, yeah, see, it's playing the animation here. Okay, now we need to add our image target. The image it needs to our app needs to detect. So for that, we've already downloaded the image. Now we need to create a target for that image, so that our Unity app can detect it. For that, again, we'll open the Vuforia developer portal, and here we need to click on Target Manager. Okay, so now we need to create a database for image. We'll create a database, click on Add Database, and we'll give it a name. Right now, it'll be Spider-Man image. Spider-Man image. Type would be device itself, and click on Create. Click on the database you just created, and now we need to add our image target to it. Click on add target, select image here, and then you need to browse your image. Click on browse, and since I downloaded it here on desktop, I'll just select Spider-Man PC site image and open. Yeah, you need to find provide a width as well. For now I'll just keep it 4 and click on add. Okay, now since this is done, we need to download this database here. We'll download it for our Unity editor. So click on Unity editor and download. Yeah. So this will generate a Unity package file for you to download. So we just need to import it into our Unity project. Just drag and drop it into our Unity project and click on import. Now in the assets we have uh, what is it? Yeah, streaming assets, Vuforia, and our Spider-Man image, Spider-Man target. It just created itself. We do not need to go into depth about how it was created and what all it included, but I'll tell you how it finds the image. Just click on this image, and here you can click on show features, and it'll generate on all of the targets it is using to you know detect this image. these yellow signs. Okay, now here in the app, we'll right click on a hierarchy, Vuforia engine, and click on image. Okay, it has automatically generated an image target for us. See, all right. Now all we need to do is we need to uh, align our object to this image target. So where is that object? So I just bring it here, and I'll also increase the size of our object because it's really small right now. You cannot even see it with respect to our image. So select on the scale tool here and drag it outwards to increase the size, or you can use the scale option here. We can make it 100 and 200. 100, 200. Oh, sorry, 200. Okay, I think it's still very small. Let's make it